Okay, the next problem. Find Fourier sine and cosine transform of 2 e power minus 5x plus 5 e power minus 2x. Now, the given function f of x is 2 e power minus 5x plus 5 e power minus 2x. See, the question is find Fourier sine transform and find Fourier cosine transform. Two transforms adugunnaramma. Now, Fourier sine transform of f of x formula, this is formula by definition. This is equal to integral 0 to infinity f of x sin sx. The next step, substitute fx function. Okay, substitute fx function. What we get? Fourier sine transform of f of x is equal to integral 0 to infinity 2 e power minus 5x plus 5 e power minus 2x sin sx dx. Just we substitute in place of f of x this term. Okay, then write separately 2 integral 0 to infinity minus 5x sin sx dx plus 5 integral 0 to infinity e power minus 2x sin sx dx. Okay, now use the formula integral e power ax sin bx dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, this is in the form of e power ax sin bx dx, first integral. Similarly, second one also e power ax sin bx. For the first one, a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to s. Now we see the apply this formula for the first one, a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to s. Now it becomes 2 already constant, e power minus 5x by e power ax as it is by a square plus b square means minus 5 square 25 plus s square into a sin bx, a is minus 5, minus 5 sin sx minus b cos sx means s cos sx. Apply 0 to infinity limit. Now we see the second one plus this one 5 into e power, what is a here? A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to s. Apply this one e power minus 2x as it is, e power ax as it is, e power minus 2x by 2 minus 2 square means plus 4 plus s square. Next a means minus 2 sin sx minus s cos sx. Apply 0 to infinity limits for both these terms. Now we get the next term is equal to first one 2 into e power infinity ma first, in place of x put infinity. Put infinity here, 5 into infinity means infinity, e power minus infinity 0. 0 by anything is 0, into anything is 0. So the first term is 0 minus second limit 0, e power 0 into something, e power 0. 5 into 0 means 0, means e power 0 by 25 plus s square. Next 0 application amma. Minus 5 into sin 0 is 0. Okay, first term 0 minus s cos 0. This is about the first term. Plus second one plus 5 infinity, e power minus infinity 0 into anything is, so it is 0. Next 0 application, e power 0 by 4 plus s square sin 0 0 minus s cos 0 means 1. Cos 0 means 1. It can be written as 2 into the 1 by 25 plus s square minus s into 1. Totally this is minus s, cos 0 is 1. Minus s into 1 means minus s e power 0 1 minus s already minus undi ante plus s by 25 plus s square into 2. 2s by 25 plus s square plus 5 into e power 0 1. 1 into minus s, minus 1 into minus s means plus 1 plus 5s by 4 plus s square. Okay, this is the required value. Similarly, fcfx 10 by s square plus 25 plus 10 by s square plus 4. Okay, leave it as homework. You write the formula for cosine transform and do this, you get this answer. Okay, you practice it. The next question, find the Fourier cosine transform of e power minus ax cos sx. Oka problem idi. Second one, e power minus ax sin ax. See the first one, first problem solution. given f of x is e power minus ax cos ax. Okay, now the Fourier cosine transform of this function f of x. Fourier cosine, first question solution, Fourier cosine transform of f of x is equal to integral 0 to infinity f of x cos sx dx. Now substitute f of x in this integral, we get integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos ax. In place of f of x, e power minus ax cos sx dx. Now you see ma, e power minus ax into cos a cos b formula undi idi. Cos a cos b. What is 2 cos a cos b kaithe formula telusu manaki. Now it can be written as 1 by 2 into 2. Okay, integral baita 1 by 2 chesam, lopala into 2 chesam. Saripayindi kada. 2 తో divide chesi 2 తో multiply chesam. Now it can be written as 1 by 2 integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax ఏం చేయలేదమ్మా. ఓకే, cos ax cos sx మాత్రం into 2 చేసాము. dx as it is అలాగే ఉంది. ఓకే, the next step is e power 2 cos a cos b means e power minus x అలా ఉంది. 2 cos a cos b లాగుంది. cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. సో ఆ టూ టర్మ్స్ని విడివిడిగా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయండి. 1 by 2 ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos ax plus sx means x common a plus s x dx plus integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos a minus b means ax minus b sx అంటే a minus sx dx. Now the first one is in the form of e power a cos bx dx. Use this formula e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. What is a here? A is e power ax place lo e power minus a. And in place of a we have minus a. In place of b, b into x undali. In place of b, a plus x. So for the first integral, b is a plus x. Similarly for the second integral, a is minus a, b is a minus x. So use this formula and evaluate these integrals. Now this is 1 by 2 for the first integral e power minus ax by minus a whole square and a square plus b square undali. A plus s x whole square into minus a cos a plus sx plus b into అంటే a plus s into sin bx a plus s d into x. Apply 0 to infinity. This is only for the first integral. First infinity apply చేయగానే e power minus infinity అవుతుంది. 0 into anything by anything is 0. అంటే for infinity limit you get 0. Next 0 limit ki చూడాలి. See the next step. Okay, second one ఏమవుతుంది ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చూద్దాం. a place లో minus a, in place of b we have a minus s. Now we get second term. Okay, the second term is e power minus ax by a square a minus s whole square minus a cos b, b means a minus sx plus b into sin bx అంటే a minus s sin a minus sx. అప్లై 0 to infinity. దీనికి కూడా ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ మొదటి టర్మ్ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ తీసుకుంటే 1 by 2 0 అని చెప్పాను e power minus infinity. నెక్స్ట్ e power 0 by a square plus a plus s whole square అక్కడ మైనస్ a cos 0. నెక్స్ట్ సిమిలర్లీ దీనికి అప్లై చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ రెండో టర్మ్కి ఇన్ఫినిటీ e power minus infinity means 0 by anything into anything 0. ఓకే, లీవ్ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్ 0 అప్లికేషన్ మైనస్ e power minus 0 means e power 0 by a square a minus s whole square minus a into cos 0 into a minus s means cos 0 అంటే theta place లో 0 అయిపోతుంది మొత్తం. cos 0 is 1 minus a cos 0 అంటే minus a cos 0. నెక్స్ట్ a minus s into sin a minus s into 0 means sin 0 which is 0. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ టర్మ్ 0. Now you get this 1 is equal to 1 by 2. This is 1 into minus a into 1 minus a minus కాబట్టి this is plus a అవుతుంది. a into minus 1 plus a by something. This is also minus 1 into minus a into 1 means plus a by a square plus s square. Okay, similarly you find the Fourier cosine transform for the function, for this function. Okay, you practice this, you do it. Okay, as homework, you let as homework.